In an arch sit no more than 20 people, exchanging their experiences, knowledge, and general information about diabetes, an illness many Jamaicans call sugar. They're here at the Ethiopian Orthodox Church of Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew because the Rita Marley Foundation and medical staff from the University Hospital of the West Indies volunteered to teach them about diabetes, an illness which many Jamaicans have but don't know how to manage.
One of the biggest benefits that we see that when a person is informed and understands and can see how they can make changes to improve their diabetes control, it's a wonderful process. So I'm always encouraged whenever I'm invited to do this kind of activity.
And by the sound of it, there's a lot of information people don't know.
Who likes coconut water? How much will you have? How much will you have? One coconut.
The forum fulfilled its purpose.
It's quite informative, and I think it will go a far way in helping people to control those who are diabetic to get on top of their diabetes.
What I take from this today is that what you must try to do, you must try to prevent. Prevent is better than cure. So if you have a healthy lifestyle, how you eat, exercise, and this type of thing, will help you to prevent the sicknesses.
I think today was good because certain things that you do to test yourself and so on, you just want to know that you're on track, and it was reassuring to get some additional information.
And information is key to keeping people with diabetes alive.
For those who have diabetes, it can be controlled. And once diabetes is controlled, the risk of complications is reduced. One of the best things that you can do to take care of your diabetes is to learn about it and to become an active part of your diabetes management.
Manager at the Rita Marley Foundation, Rosemary Duncan, says the aim was to promote good health and welfare among socially and economically disadvantaged communities. Certified diabetes educator Nurse Pennico Jones says it's this sort of volunteerism that keeps her on her toes.
There's always more information being released to those of us in the healthcare field, and with diabetes, it's worthwhile to keep up so that we can inform the patient.
If you know that it's running in your family, there are measures you can take to prevent it. If it's not running in your family, you are still at risk, and there are things that you can do to prevent yourself from progressing to certain forms of diabetes. So that's my main message for today. Hopefully a message of hope.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kirk Wright.